Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the dynamic shark effect using animation in CapCut PC. Go to media, import your videos, photos you like to edit, and I'm going to open a track, a video to the track, and just select animation, select combo animation, and you can find it dynamic shake 2 or dynamic shake sorry, dynamic shake 1 and dynamic shake 2. So you can select this one just for sorry, it's copyright. Alright, you can just for the duration of the animation. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.